Stephen Derrig, 24 years working in data. I started working in the BI sector and gradually worked my way back into hardcore data and data governance. Also dabbled in AI and ML, leading a team in my previous roles, primarily working in the banking industry, and I've had a few years also working in the not-for-profit. So this is my first role in the media industry. My role is primarily looking at making sure we implement the right governance in our data platforms, and also leading the Data Engineering Guild. I'm really looking forward to speaking at the Data and Analytics Summit on the 16th of May. Top priorities is driving both the capture and the adoption of our metadata management. So that's about capturing the definitions of our business terms, about making sure that they're correctly classified and secured, making sure we have lineage of our data assets end to end. On top of that, we're looking at really adding our principles to how we do reference data management, and making sure we do it in a consistent and reusable format as well, to help make sure that we've got data quality embedded into the way that we manage our reference data. One of the biggest challenges is the rate of change. No sooner have you implemented a strategy where there's new tools popping up seemingly every week. Not only that, they upgrade and change the existing tools as well that are going to continue to migrate. So how do we actually compete and change with that? I think you need to focus on some fundamentals. Under the cover, you need to look at making sure that your data can scale. Look, it's going to continue to grow, it's going to continue to scale. You need to build flexibility into the way that you use these tools as well, and so that you can continually have a rate of exploring these new capabilities and looking at how you can augment them into your existing infrastructure. So making sure you have that, and making sure that your governance is up to date. So you continually make sure you invest in your governance, because they're the fundamentals and the bedrock of your data strategy as well, and making sure that your security is up to date and able to flex and evolve with these new capabilities as they come along. I'm really blown away by generative AI at the moment. Looking at all the hype and what's going on at the moment in the industry, every one of the big players has got an answer to how it's going to work. Hold on to your hat, it's going to change everybody's jobs. And so looking at the opportunity that could bring, but also making sure that we're aware of any risks, and making sure that they're being mitigated in a safe and compliant way.